Kina-clarify ko po kanina sinabi nyo na in-encourage nyo ang PNP na i-encourage yung suspect na lumaban.
Correct.
Very incorrect po, if I may say as a
Yes,
civilian, sa
okay.
professional police.
So, that's your view, that.
It's not my view only, Mr. Chair. Thank you for putting it on the record.
Pagka-mayor, pagka-prosecutor. Ako, alam ko, duman ako prosecutor, mayor, presidente, alam ko ang trabaho ko.
Yes,
Yan ang
salamat
totoo
tayo, Mr.
dyan.
Chair.
Hindi ka nagdala ng syudad eh. You never
Totoo
had
po,
a
Mr.
chance
Chair.
to solve the problem of the community. Kung pabalikin ako, sir, gagawain ko uli yan. Dublado.
Your Honor.
Silence, please.